In this video, I will show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Grid lines are the light gray lines you see between cells, helping you distinguish rows and columns. To remove grid lines from your view, go to the top menu and click on View. In the drop-down menu, look for the option called Show, then uncheck Grid Lines. As soon as you uncheck it, the grid lines will disappear from your sheet, giving it a cleaner and more minimal look. If you want to bring the grid lines back, simply go to the same menu. Click View, then Show, and check Grid Lines again. Removing grid lines is especially useful when creating reports or dashboards where you want a cleaner, more professional appearance. So that's how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.